Monopoly Space Jam: A New Legacy, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The banker is called the referee, and money is called points. Position the basketball hoop on the board near free parking and the launcher on the free throw line. Power-up and hoop cards replace chance and community chest. Whenever you land on the same space as another player, then, starting with you both take a shot with the basketball from the free throw line. If you both make it, then you each collect 100 points from the bank. If only one of you makes it, then the one who made it collects 100 points from the other player. If no one makes it, then nothing happens. Properties are called characters that you can recruit. Houses and hotels are replaced by stamina and speed character upgrades. Mortgaging a character is called benching them. When you land on or pass go, take 3 shots from the 3-point line. Collect 100 points for each shot made, and an additional 200 points if you made all 3 shots. When you land on a force field rebound, you may pay the bank 50 points and move to any space between your current space and the next force field rebound space and perform the action of that space. If you pass go while doing this, you do not take any shots. If you don't want to move, then pay nothing and end your turn. If you land on go to jail, take a shot from the free throw line. If you make it, do not go to jail but stay where you are and end your turn. If you miss, then go to jail like you normally would. You have 2 options for getting out of jail: a get out of jail free card or shooting. Instead of rolling at the start of each turn to get out of jail, shoot a free throw. If you make it, move to just visiting, then end your turn. If you don't make it after 3 turns of trying, then pay 50 points and move to just visiting and end your turn. You may not pay 50 points to get out of jail sooner. Going bankrupt is called being ejected from the game. The last player standing wins.